Hey friends, Dan here from Gen X Classic Rock Guitar Intro. Today I'm going to show you how to play the song What's Up by Four Non Blondes. Now this is one of the most funnest songs to learn, especially if you're just a beginning guitar. Literally it's three chords, and it repeats over and over again. So very cool, kind of like a cool thing for your arsenal when you're like just, let's say you learn this and you have an acoustic guitar, or you have your friend have a guitar, let's say there's a party and something like that, and you just want to kind of bust out something that like that's something that that you could pull it off. This one is tried and true test. Like I've been to like back in the 90s, right? I've been to a lot of like different parties, and so really simple song, three chords, and I'm gonna go ahead and show to you how to play it. And then the strumming pattern of it. There's a certain strumming pattern that you should learn about it. But at the end of the day, it's just a jamming song. It's a really cool song. Everybody can sing it, and it's a fun song to play at a party. So here we go. You're gonna start with A chord. So with this one, I'm tuned at A 440 hertz. Make sure to tune your guitar first before jamming through. But here we go. We're gonna start with A chord right here. So what it is pretty much is that from the top, right, this is E, this is A. The string down here is A, right? So we're gonna leave that open, and we're gonna go ahead and put our forefinger right here on the bottom of that, on the D string, second fret, and all of this are gonna be in the same fret, right? So the pretty much the second finger or the middle finger, it's gonna be just a string below, which is the G string, and then the next one will be your ring finger. It's going to be under there. They're all going to be in the same fret. So you're going to play it right there. So you just when you play, it goes just like this, like this. I have a little bit of like crunch on my guitar, so but you can play it clean, you can play it with a little bit of crunch, but for me I have a little crunch on my guitar, so if it's a little sound a little distorted, just because that's the way I kind of have my my guitar, my amp right there. That's how, just strumming like that, just play around with it. You can do a little bit of swing in there if you want to, like that. Then going to the next chord. Now the next chord's a little bit tricky, just because you're gonna go ahead and bar it. So what you're gonna be doing is you're gonna put your forefinger pretty much the second fret. You're gonna cover that. Your ring finger and your pinky is gonna go on the fourth fret, right just below. They're on top of each other. And then your middle finger is gonna go on the bottom, which is gonna be the B string, the B string right here, and then it's going to be on the third fret. So you're going to go ahead and strum it right there. There's your B minor, and then you're going to go to D after this. So D is going to go ahead and you're going to go with the D chord right here. Would be for like your forefinger right here on the second fret. Your third finger or your middle finger, right, it's going to be on the bottom, skipping this string right here. So you're going to be at the E string, so E string, second fret also, and then you're going to go ahead and put your ring finger right there on the third fret, and then you're going to go ahead and strum it. But when you strum it, try to hit the D, the open D right here. There you go, that's your D chord. Okay, and then you go back to A. It's really simple. So go back to A. There you go. Those are the three chords: A, B minor, and then D. That's pretty much it. And then it just repeats. So the pattern goes like this, right? You're going to start with A. Now, I'm going to play my A just a little bit different. I used to play like this, but I find it more economical to actually play. And you can try this too. If you're just learning how to bar your chords, you're going to go ahead and, what I do is I put my forefinger or point finger right here, and I try to press all three of them, right? I kind of like hit the bottom too, but it just goes like this. So it's easier. Instead of going like this, I just go like this. So same thing. Then the B minor, D, same thing. A again. And they just repeat over and over again until the end of the song. That's how simple the song is. And the cool thing about simple songs like this, there's literally thousands of them that are played with 3-4 chords, even 2 chords on some of them. And it's so amazing because you can learn this really, really quick. Sometimes you think, man, that song sounds so complicated, right? Like, and then you realize when you start learning, it's like, there's only 2 or 3 chords, right? Because the beauty in music is it's a language, right? So that's the reason why a lot of them kind of like hit on our emotion when you play it or when you hear it. It's just because it uses the same chords, right? And then the melody is kind of like what shifts things around, which is amazing. That's why I love music. So here we go again. We're gonna go ahead and play a couple more times and then start practicing it. If really quick, you know, from moving to one chord, if you're gonna try, if I suggest you just do this A right here, because what I like about this, if I'm playing A this way, instead of going from here, I go like this, and then when I jump to B minor, I could actually just start working towards going to B minor. I don't have to go like this and then go like this, right? So then I could just go like this, right? So it stays there, right there. Okay. All right, let's go play one more time. 2 more times. We're gonna go for it, and then let's do it. Let's jam it. And there you go. 3 chords, very simple. Go ahead and start practicing it. If I were you, I mean, if you have like, what I do is when I tend to practice guitar, especially when I'm beginning, I just start with that one song and I focus through it until I get it down. I'm kind of a little bit ADHD, a little bit, right? So I tend to like bounce between songs all the time. That's not a good thing, right? Stay focused. So for me, that's what I do. I try to stay focused, and then after I learn that song, after I figure it out, play it a few more times until it's kind of like part of you. And then suddenly you'll be amazed of how fast you can learn within a week. And in the second week, third week, you can learn new songs and stuff like that. And you can get more complicated songs as you move forward. But really, really appreciate suggestions, comments. And if you're getting value from this channel, please give me some likes, subscribe, share this with people who's trying to learn how to play guitar or learn this song. And I truly, truly appreciate each and every one of you. Have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.